Hello, I'm Christine Berry. Thank you so much for being here. Today, I want to tell you about the soul manifesting way. This is an introduction to give you my take on divine manifestation. How do we create what we really want? Thank you so much for being here. Let's get started. My name is Christine Berry. I am an Akashic reader and a facilitator. So I work with the Soul Realignment program to do readings, but I also help students certify so you can do readings yourself. Did you know that your soul has a blueprint for how you manifest naturally? You know, we can't really find a bypass in life to just get away with something for nothing. But I really do believe we did not come here to struggle. Effort is required. It's always necessary for manifestation to occur. But struggle is actually a choice. And if that's one thing that you take away from today, then that is all that I can ask for, is that you realize that struggle is not necessary. Now, how do we make what we want happen without doing something? Well, yes, we do have to take some effort, some action. The problem is sometimes we take a lot of action and don't see results, or we don't see the matching results to the amount of effort that we've put in. This is where the magic comes in that I want to share with you. There is something called soul manifesting factors that we all have. This is how we naturally manifest from a soul level. Most of us are not born being aware of this, although through trial and error in our life, we may land on this information. The workshops and the readings and the trainings that I do give you this information, and specifically a workshop about manifesting is where you can not only find out what your manifesting factors are, but how to implement them, how to understand them, what to do with them, so you can let go of all the noise. I really believe that less is more. The more information we have, the more we get confused. The more options we have, the more we struggle with which direction to go. When we can cut out all the noise and get really clear on what we need to know in order to move forward that is unique to us, we thrive. When you've been manifesting or trying to create something in your life, have you experienced endless struggle, frustrating trial and error? Trial and error is important, but when it's wasted effort, it is really frustrating because we're wasting our time, sometimes our money, and definitely our effort, which leads to disappointing heartache for a lot of us, especially when we're doing something we're passionate about and we want to share it with the world. Would you prefer instead inspired clarity, unwavering confidence that the action you're going to take will eventually lead you to results so you can be really calm? Knowing that your efforts will be rewarded because you're in alignment with your soul. And then you can step into that beautiful heart-lifting creativity, that space where we effortlessly create from our soul because we've got a rhythm, we've got an understanding, and we start to see the transformation in our own lives. The good news is there is a better way, the soul manifesting way. In my manifesting workshop, you will learn how your soul creates. So yes, you will actually get a reading from me about one of your soul manifesting factors. And then we will do a group workshop with energy sessions to help support you and Q&A to help you figure out how you can do this in your life. And so I invite you to join me for my soul manifesting workshop to learn a better way to manifest. You can choose to stop the wondering and start knowing how you manifest from your soul. I invite you to click the link below to find out more about my workshop and how to register, or you can visit thegoodenergyhub.com. Thank you so much for being here. I wish you a blessed day.